So this is really actually very, very exciting. Today I have some plant mail. Surprise, surprise. So this is coming from Jaclynn's Jungle off of Palm Street. And if you notice, the background is different. So now I have a dedicated plant room. So it's, don't look too closely because it is not, it's not ready. But it's coming along nicely, so I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to be able to close the door on Darby so he can't get into my plants. Not that he really even does. He's a really good boy, but I still don't trust him. So I'm glad I'm able to finally close the door. This used to be his room. So now I kicked him out. Oh, I closed the plants up in here. He just can't help himself. What is this? Looks oh, there's two. Okay. I know. Okay. So let me start, I guess, back here. Okay, this one's free. So this is really actually very, very exciting. Jaclynn created some hybrids. I got some seeds of one of her hybrids, and I didn't share those yet, so I'll have to share those. But then this is also her hybrid. You like this? So this is her cross, and it's a forgetii cross dorayaki. And so as of this filming, as far as I know, I'm the only other person besides her to have this cross and her other cross. So it's really exciting, and I'm, such a fan, I guess. I've been following her channel for a long time, and so I'm able to chat with her on Palm Street, in the lives and stuff, and she's, of course, just a really sweet person, and so I'm honored, honestly, to have her hybrids. So I'm excited to watch them grow, and so yeah, this is just so cute. I'm not even looking at it yet because I'm just thinking about that I have it, but yeah, of course, everything looks amazing. It's really exciting to watch someone, through their own journey and their progress of, this has been a dream of hers for so long. So I'm really happy to support her, and I'm excited for her to finally be on this next phase of her business. They look so cute. And she knew in the live that I was drawn to the one that looked like it had abs. So I picked this one out of 3 that she had available because of this leaf right here. That was just so cute. So, of course, yeah, her packaging always, it looks like I just went and picked this up from her in person. Oh, yeah, it's so cute. So glad to have that in my collection. So that's a forgetii dorayaki. And then, what else did I buy? And she ships this out so fast. So it's all me that I can't remember what I got already because it was just a couple days ago. So this is, oh, that's right. Okay, this is Sam's Dream crossed with a Carla Pap. I knew for sure that I wanted to get her hybrid. So then this was just all, of course, I'd started a box. So of course, I had to add more plants. Sam's Dream, whenever I saw that, I thought, ooh, that's really, really, really nice looking. I mean, if you like it, I feel like we've talked about this before, but yeah, if you like Anthurium, it's just, you want to get them at this size so you can watch them grow, but they kind of all do look the same. So it's so cute. And then once I saw that Sam's Dream, then there was another Sam's Dream cross that I thought, well, why not collect them all? So this is a Sam's Dream crossed with a crystal dorayaki crystal. And then after this, I'm done. This is it. I'm not buying any more baby seedlings. Until Jaclynn comes out with another hybrid, or, Woohoo has something I can't resist, other than that. Oh, so cute and little. Man, this is just, so you can see here, that's just a little seed that just sprouted. Little baby. So cute. So that's a Sam's Dream Crystal, Dorayaki Crystal. Oh, look who's back. Look who it is. Mm-hmm. I mean, this packaging is just 10 out of 10. Okay, so who's First Night crossed with a Bessier Spider RLFS bunny. You know, with the bunny, it has the big lobes, and then, of course, a Bess is just amazing. My addiction is definitely Bess hybrids. Can't quit them. And then I'm wearing my shirt from Corey, RattTrap, because I got a Venom from Louis and Noah over at BRB. So I had to represent. I didn't show you that either. I'll have to show you that too. I'm slacking. Look at her. Oh, my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at that velvet. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. And so I wanted to show you too the Papu 6 crossed with the Ace of Spades Dark that is also Jaclynn's hybrid. And I got this I think about a month ago, not even. And it was just 3 seeds. And now it has little leaves. So it's really exciting to watch seeds grow. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead. If you have the opportunity to get some Anthurium seeds, definitely go for it, because I was scared, but it's really exciting and it's fun to watch. So, and plus I'm really honored to have her hybrids. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that. And then I'm kind of like rigged it so that I'm putting this little glass dome over it. And then I have it in my little shoebox or purse box from Amazon. So I'm really excited to watch these grow. And then, since I told you I got a Venom, I want to show it. This is these little corm cups that BRB rigged up. So I think I'm going to wait a little bit longer to pot it up, but I just have it living in my Millsbo tall right now. But this was definitely such a wish list plant, period. So I'm so happy to get it. If you know, you know. And my shirt glows in the dark too. So it has the Venom leaf on the back, and I'll put in a picture of me from behind wearing it. And I'll have to do like a proper plant tour. And now that I'm in here and show you all my plants. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.